So coming to basic balancing of the reactions. So children, this is just we are going to go for hit and trial method only. Okay, hit and trial method. And remember, whenever you are doing balancing, basic thing which you have to remember is balance oxygen and nitrogens at the last always. Remaining all elements first you balance, then balance hydrogens and oxygens at the last, especially oxygens at the last. Okay, so check children. First one. First reaction they have given C3H8. This is famously called as propane children. C3H8 plus O2 on combustion gives on combustion gives CO2 plus H2O. Check out for the balancing. First, all the elements other than nitrogen and oxygen. Three carbons are there. Put here three carbons. How many oxygen hydrogens are there? Eight. So put here four. Eight. Now go for the oxygens. Three twos are six plus four 10. So here two are there. Put five. Hence it is balanced over. Like this, you have to balance it. This is called balancing. Okay, he can try method. This is the second question. Now aluminium plus. Okay, ferrous nitride gives aluminium nitride plus iron. And your upper metals displace lower metals from their source displacement reaction. One aluminium, three irons are there. Put here three irons. Two nitrogens are there. Put two nitrogens. No, but two aluminiums are also coming. So put here two. It is balanced. If you know, you can go on your own channel. If you don't know, please listen here. Sodium plus chlorine gives sodium chloride. Two chlorines are there, so put here two. Now two sodiums are coming, put here two. Always you have to put here only children, you should not put anything as a subscript. Only as a prefix you have to keep. No subscripts, no superscripts. Okay. Next one, fourth question. H2O2, hydrogen peroxide on heating gives H2O2. Hydrogen peroxide on heating gives water and oxygen. Water and oxygen. Two hydrogens, but oxygens are so make it odd number children. Once you make it odd number, two twos are four hydrogens, two twos are four oxygens, here two oxygens balanced. Okay, so hit and trial method only we are going children. Now, next glucose C6H12O6 glucose on oxidation gives what children? As it is carbon dioxide and water. Any combustion gives carbon dioxide and water. Six carbons are there, put here six children. Are you able to understand? Put here six. Now hydrogens, how many are there? 12 are there here. Here you put 6. 6 twos are 12. Now oxygens, how many are there? 6 twos are 12 plus 6, 18. Already here 6 is there. Already 6 are there. So put here 6. 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 6, 18. Balanced. Like this, you have to balance the reactions. Okay. So I will say 15 more reactions for you. I have given the picture. Please check that if you are able to do, you do on your own. If you can't do, just listen to me and keep doing with me. Okay. Next one. What is the next one after glucose? Sixth one. Water plus carbon dioxide. Okay, sixth one. See here. Carbon dioxide plus water gives carbon dioxide plus water gives C7H8 plus O2. C7H8 plus O2. Okay, C7H8. They have given C7H8. Okay. So seven carbons are there. Put here seven carbons. How many hydrogens are there here? 8. So here put 4 twos are 8. Now 7 twos are 14 plus 4, 18. Oxygens are 18. Put here 9. Hence balance. Over. Next, seventh question. Seventh question. Sodium chlorate NaClO3. Sodium chlorate NaClO3. NaClO3 gives what? NaCl plus O2. NaCl plus O2. NaCl plus O2. One sodium, one chlorine, two oxygens, here three. So put here two. It will become even. So two sodiums, two chlorines, three to the six oxygens. Put here three to the six oxygens. Balanced. Okay. Next one. Eighth one. Sodium chlorate is over. If you have any doubt in the middle, you can ask me. Ammonium phosphate, NH4 taken thrice, PO4. Ammonium phosphate plus lead nitrate, lead lead tetranitrate, children. Lead tetranitrate gives Pb3PO4 taken. So this sort double displacement reaction. Pb3PO4 taken four times. Okay, plus NH4NO3 plus NH4NO3. NH4NO3. Okay, ammoniums are three in number, so put here three ammoniums. Okay, Now phosphates, how many are there? 4 phosphates are there. So put here 4 phosphates here. 4 phosphates. 4 phosphates, put here 4. Now ammonium are becoming 12. 12 ammoniums. So put 3 from ammoniums are 12. It is becoming 12 ammoniums. How many leads are there here? 3. Put here 3. How many nitrates are there? 3 fours are 12 nitrates are there. Here also 12 nitrates directly. Hence balanced. Hence balanced. 12 ammoniums, I kept it 12. 12 nitrates, 4 threes are 12 nitrates, 3 leads, 3 leads. And phosphates 4 are there. That's why I kept here 4. 4 phosphates. Next one, ninth question. BF3 plus Li2SO3. Boron trifluoride plus lithium sulfite Li2SO3. Lithium sulfite minus 2 SO4 minus 2 means sulfate. Okay, gives double displacement reaction. This and this boron sulfate B2SO3 boron sulfite, sorry, boron sulfite B2SO3 taken twice because boron is plus 3 no, plus lithium fluoride. Lithium fluoride. Okay, so 3 fluorines. So what we'll do? How many borons are there? Borons 2 in there. Here 2, here 2. How many sulfites are there, children? 3 sulfites are there. 3 sulfites. How many lithiums are there, children? 6. So put here 6. How many fluorines are there? 6. Here also 6. Here it is balanced. Okay, next 10th question. 10th question. Next, what is the 10th question? C7H17. C7H17 plus O2. O2 gives what? Combustion gives carbon dioxide and water. Always combustion gives carbon dioxide and water. 7 carbons are there. Put here 7. Hydrogens, how many? 17 are there. So 17 directly you cannot keep, children. So what we'll do? 17 hydrogens are there. Oxygens, how many are there? We'll see. This 17 are there. So what we'll what we'll do? Oxygens, how many are there? 2. First, let me make it even. Make it even. So 2 7s are 14. So 14 carbons are there. 14 carbons are there. Please check. 17 twos are 34. 17 twos are 34. So here I will put 17. 17 twos are 34. Now check the oxygens. 14 twos are 28 plus 17 plus 17. 28 plus 17 is 45. Now keeping 45 is also difficult, now children. So what I will do? I will keep 45 by 2. I'll keep 45 by 2 because 45 by 2 into 2 is 45. But we cannot keep the fractions in the reaction. So we multiply whole equation with 2. Whole equation with 2. Then what happens? You see, whole equation I'm multiplying with 2. Don't get confused, children. If you are getting confusion, again I will do. See here, neatly I will do. All of you listen. What is the question? C7H17 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. Okay, here 7 carbons were there. Hydrogen 17 are there. Hydrogens. So to make it even, I kept here 2. Now carbons are becoming 14. Carbons are becoming 14. I kept 14. Hydrogens are becoming 34. I kept 17 here, 34. Now 14 twos are 28 plus 17, 45. So I kept here 45 by 2. Now multiply whole equation with 2 because in the final equation fraction should not come. So 2 into 2 how much? 4 C7H17 plus 2 to the 4, no, that's right. 2 into 45 by 2, 45. O2 gives 28 CO2 plus 34 H2O. Now you check. 4 7s are 28, 28 carbons. 17 4s are 68, 34 2s are 68. And oxygens are 90 in number. 56, 34. 56 plus 34 is 90. Like this you have to balance. So whenever you keep any fraction, you have to remove that fraction by multiplying with the respective term. Okay, because here 2 is there down, I multiply with 2, 2, 2 got cancelled and we got it. Okay, children, if you want like this, some more equations I will tell you. Just listen. Next, 11th question. CaCO3, calcium carbonate plus phosphoric acid, H3PO4, double displacement reaction will occur. Double displacement what happens, children? Calcium phosphate plus calcium phosphate plus carbonic acid. Ca3PO4 taken twice plus H2CO3. Okay, how many calciums are there? 3. Put here 3. How many phosphates are there? 2. Put here 2. Okay. Now coming to hydrogens, how many are there? 6. So put here 3. Carbonates are how many? 3. Here also 3 carbonates. Balanced. Everything is balanced. Next one. 12th question. Silver sulfide, Ag2S, black silver sulfide, gives what? Silver plus sulfur, silver plus Ag plus S8, Ag plus S8. So children, here two silvers, but sulfurs how many are there? 8. So put here 8 sulfurs, but silvers are becoming 16. So put here what? 16 silvers, 16 silvers, like this. You have to keep on balancing left side and right side according to law of conservation of mass. Number of atoms on left side should be equal to number of atoms on right side. We balance reactions to obey the law of conservation of mass. Potassium bromide plus ferrous hydroxide. Ferrous hydroxide gives potassium hydroxide plus ferric bromide. Ferric bromide. Okay, because here 3, no, that's why they are also 3. So coming to one potassium, one iron. 3 bromines are there, so put here 3 bromines. 3 potassiums are there, put here 3 potassiums. Now hydroxides are how many? 3 are there. Here also 3 hydroxides. 3 hydroxides, 3 hydroxides. Everything is balanced. Please check next one. Lead PbOH4. Here lead valence is 4 children. PbOH4 plus Cu2 copper oxide, Kippers oxide gives PbO2 plus CuOH. Okay, so one lead, 2 coppers, put here 2 coppers. 4 hydroxides are there, children. See here 4 hydroxides. So put here also put 4 hydroxides because 4 hydroxides. But now coppers are becoming 4. So put here 2 coppers, 2 to the 4. Oxygens are 2. It is balanced. You should be very, very careful when balancing the reactions. Okay. One more reaction I'm doing for you, children. All of you should listen. Chromium nitrite, CrNO2 taken twice. Chromium nitrite plus ammonium sulfate.
That is 16th one.
Oh, 16th, okay. Ammonium sulfate.
14th one.
16th only, ammonium sulfate. Okay, ammonium sulfate gives. Okay, I missed the 14th one. I will do it. Okay, no problem. Chromium nitrate plus ammonium sulfate gives chromium sulfate plus ammonium nitrite. Nitrate means 3, nitrite means 2. So one chromium, two ammoniums here, put 2 ammoniums, 2 nitrites, one sulfate, everything is balanced. 14th I missed Dhamma. Okay, I'm doing again 14th one. Potassium nitrate KNO3 plus carbonic acid. So what you will get? A double displacement reaction. Potassium carbonate plus nitric acid. K2CO3 plus HNO3 nitric acid. Two potassiums, two nitrates, two hydrogens, one carbonate. Balanced. 17th question. So children, whenever I send this video, a link in the description there will be a link. You press that link, children, you will get 20 more reactions for you to balance on your own. Whatever I balance, you have seen. No? So in the description of this video, I'll send one link. Press that link. Blog will open. In that blog, you will get 20 more sums. That is your homework for balancing the reactions. Okay. Next question, children. 17th one. Potassium hydroxide plus cobalt phosphate. Cobalt phosphate, children. Cobalt phosphate gives potassium phosphate. Double displacement. Cobalt hydroxide. Children. So this is cobalt, children. Cobalt. Okay. CO actually CO. 3 cobalts are there. Put here 3 cobalts. 3 potassiums are there. Put 3 potassiums. Okay. Now what happens? 1 second. here 3 cobalts. Hydroxides are becoming 6, children. When hydroxides are becoming 6, you have to put here 6. Now potassiums are becoming 6, so put here 2. 2 3 are 6. Phosphates are 2, here also 2, hence it is balanced. Okay. If you keep on balancing so many reactions, then you will get practice, children. 1 2 reactions, if you balance, I got it over, means it is not good. You have to practice. Okay, children. Next, tin nitrate. Tin nitrate. Tin nitrate gives plus platinum nitride. Platinum nitride. Tin nitrate plus platinum nitrate double displacement reaction gives tin tin SN3 tin nitride plus platinum nitrite. Here I'm writing platinum nitrite. Okay, platinum nitrite. Please, children. So 1 tin, 3 tins are there. So put here 3 tins. 3 platinums are there. Put here 3 platinums. Okay. Now how many nitrates are there? 12 are there. How many nitrates are there? 12 are there. How many nitrogens are there? 4 are there. How many nitrogens? 4. Everything is balanced. Okay. Balancing is easy, children. Hit and trial method only. Today night IIT class is there. You can see there how we'll go with the higher methods with acidic medium, basic medium. Okay. Next.
Sir, in 17th reaction, carbon is not balanced.
17th reaction. Where is carbon, Nana? This is cobalt, Nana. This is cobalt, Amma. 3 cobalts. 3 cobalts, Amma. 3 cobalts, Nana. Please check, Nana. Cobalt. This is not carbon. Cobalt. 19th reaction. Please see here, children. Boron bromide. Boron bromide plus nitric acid, double displacement reaction will occur. Okay. Boron nitrate plus bromic acid, HBr, hydrogen bromide. 2 borons. Bromines are 6 in number. So 2 borons are there. Put here 2 borons. How many bromines are there? 6. So put here 6. How many hydrogens are there? 6 hydrogens. So put here 6 hydrogens. How many nitrates are there? 2 3 are 6. 6 nitrates. Directly balanced. Last reaction for today. And in the link, I'll give 20 more extra reactions, children. You have to balance all this in the link. Okay, you have practiced all these sums, very good. In the link, I will send some 20 more extra reactions. You please press that link. You will get a new blog. In that blog, you will be having reactions. All you have to balance. How many reactions you balance, that much perfect you'll become, children. Last reaction to balance for today. Please don't talk in the middle. Don't talk in the middle. Mute yourself, all of you. Zinc sulfide. Mute yourself, children. Zinc sulfide plus aluminium phosphide. Please mute yourself.
అంటే అప్పుడు మీరు అసలు వాడలేరు.
Okay, children, see here. So zinc sulfide plus aluminium phosphide gives zinc phosphide, Zn3P2 plus aluminium sulfide, Al2S3, aluminium sulfide, double displacement reaction. This both reacted. Now check each one, children. 3 zincs, put here 3 zincs, 3 sulfurs balanced, 2 aluminiums, put 2 here, 2 phosphorus, 2 phosphorus. Everything is balanced. So children, in the link, I'll send in the description, one link will be there. Press that link, you will open to the new 20 more reactions you have to balance and show me tomorrow.